Wait, where's my desktop audio? Hello? Ready? That tasted like braised beef. It's not bad. It's literally not bad.
What's not bad?
Nothing. Hold on. Who's alive right now? I don't know why I'm burping so much tonight. Damn. You like that?
Yeah.
I know.